The best secret to remove hair in 5 minutes quickly, cheaply and painlessly. It is quite normal that, when we reach a certain age, we begin to grow hairs in different parts of the body. At first, it seems something very tender, and in the case of many, it can even look attractive. However, this small invader is not appreciated everywhere. That is why both men and women try to eliminate it. Generally, people resort to various methods to remove hair from their body. The most common are usually wax and shaving. However, both methods can prove to be dangerous and sometimes very painful. In the case of wax, it can cause a great redness to our skin. Shavers, on the other hand, can cause cuts that leave ugly scars. For this reason, many choose to use other methods, painless and effective, to eliminate body hair. The best of these methods is that they have no side effects and are very simple. Here's what you can do to quickly remove body hair. For this method of hair removal, we will need a little thanaka. This substance comes from a tree bearing the same name. They are usually very abundant in central Myanmar, although it is exported to the whole world. By macerating the roots and small pieces of this tree, you get a kind of dust. This product should be mixed with a little kusum oil or safflower. When mixing both ingredients, we will get a kind of cream with a rich aroma. This substance will be used to epilate. This powder can be obtained in any naturalistic store near your locality. Both ingredients are much cheaper than professional hair removal creams. In addition, you do not need to be an expert to use them properly. Just apply it as any other epilating cream and ready. In addition to being cheaper, the results obtained will leave you with your mouth open. Undoubtedly, this Causera epilating cream is an excellent option to eliminate body hairs. If you like this method, share it on your social networks.